How to schedule an educational plan appointment. Visit www.chaffey.edu. Click on My Chaffey at the upper right-hand corner. Sign into your My Chaffey account using your login credentials. You are now on the My Chaffey student portal. Click on Canvas under the Launchpad on the left-hand side. You are now directed to the Canvas dashboard. Click the Student Support Hub link under the dashboard heading. Now that you're on the Student Support Hub, scroll down to select Online Counseling. On this page, you can select the counseling service you prefer, from career counseling, DPS, and more. You can select the Schedule Appointment button, located just under your preferred counseling service. Next, scroll down to select the reason for the meeting. The first button says Abbreviated Educational Plan, which is a 1 to 2 semester plan to get you started. The third button is a Comprehensive Educational Plan. It includes all courses required to reach your academic goals. Once you've made your selection, scroll down to your preferred mode of communication. The first button says Telephone Meeting, and the second button says Video Meeting. Then, select a meeting date. Underneath, you will see recommended time slots, as well as the different counselors available at those times. Once you've selected your preferred meeting time, a distance counseling intake form should be filled out. This is to ensure that your counselor knows exactly what you would like to achieve during the meeting. Then, select Schedule Appointment to complete your request, located at the bottom. You will receive an email confirmation and a link to the meeting. Thank you for watching. Additional tutorial videos are available in the online toolkit on our homepage.